Real-life mathematics. We can see a lot of examples in which we need integers, such as A. When we deposit money in a bank, it is denoted by a positive integer, such as deposit of rupees 2000 is denoted as plus rupee 2000. And when we withdraw money from the bank, it is denoted by negative integer. So, withdrawal of rupees 2000 is denoted as minus rupee 2000. B. Rise in temperature above 0 degree is denoted by positive integer, and fall in temperature below 0 degree is denoted by negative integer. For example, in Srinagar, temperature was 4 degrees Celsius on Tuesday morning, but it decreased by 6 degrees in the night and measured minus 2 degrees Celsius. C. Profit is denoted by a positive integer and loss is denoted by a negative integer. Profit of rupee 500 equals to plus rupee 500. Loss of rupee 500 equals to minus rupee 500. D. At sea level, the height is considered 0 meter, but above sea level, it is denoted by positive integer, and below sea level, it is denoted by negative integer. For example, height of Mount Everest, 8848 meter above sea level, is plus 8848 meter, and depth of a submarine 800 meter below sea level is minus 800 meter. Addition of integers on a number line. Rules for adding integers on number line. 1. When we add a positive integer to an integer, we move to the right side as many steps as the integer has. 2. When we add a negative integer to an integer, we move to the left side as many steps as the integer has. For example, 1. Add minus 8 and 5. We will start from minus 8 and move 5 steps to the right side. Minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3. We reach at minus 3. So, minus 8 plus 5 equals to minus 3. 2. Add 4 and minus 9. We will start from 4 and move 9 steps to the left side. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. We reach at minus 5. So, 4 plus minus 9 equals to minus 5. Fill in the blanks and write the name of the property used. Compare the following integers without number line. Subtraction of integers. Subtraction is the inverse of addition. When we subtract two integers, we change the integer to be subtracted into its corresponding opposite integer and then simply add the two integers. A minus B equals to A plus minus B. Example 1. Subtract the following. 1. Minus 32 from minus 69. Solution. minus 69 minus minus 32 equals to minus 69 plus open curly bracket minus minus 32 close curly bracket equals to minus 69 plus 32 equals to minus 37. 2. 18 from minus 80. Solution: minus 80 minus 18 equals to minus 80 plus minus 18 equals to minus 98. Properties of subtraction on integers. 1. Closure property. The difference of two integers is also an integer. For example, minus 18 minus 13 equals to minus 18 plus minus 13 equals to minus 31. Integer, integer, integer. Property 1. If a and b be two integers, then a minus b is also an integer. 2. Commutative property. The difference of two integers does not remain same when the order of integers is changed. For example, let 16 and minus 9 be two integers. Now, 16 minus minus 9 is not equal to minus 9 minus 16, which implies 16 plus open curly bracket minus minus 9 close curly bracket is not equal to minus 25, which implies 16 plus 9 is not equal to minus 25, which implies 25 is not equal to minus 25. Property 2. If a and b be two integers, then a minus b is not equal to b minus a. 3. Associative property. This property does not exist for integers. For example, let 8, minus 6 and minus 12 be three integers. Now, 8 minus open curly bracket minus 6 minus minus 12 close curly bracket is not equal to open curly bracket 8 minus minus 6 close curly bracket minus minus 12, which implies 8 minus open bracket minus 6 plus 12 close bracket is not equal to open bracket 8 plus 6 close bracket plus 12, which implies 8 minus 6 is not equal to 14 plus 12, which implies 2 is not equal to 26. Property 3. If a, b and c be three integers, then a minus open bracket b minus c close bracket is not equal to open bracket a minus b close bracket minus c. 4. Identity element. When 0 is subtracted from an integer, the difference remains the integer itself. For example, 16 minus 0 equals to 16. Minus 18 minus 0 equals to minus 18. Property 4. If a be an integer, then a minus 0 equals to a. Subtract the following integers. Multiplication of integers. Multiplication is repeated addition of integers. 1. Multiplication of two positive integers. When both integers are positive, then we multiply their values regardless of their signs and assign the positive sign to the product. For example, 8 into 9 equals to 72. 11 into 12 equals to 132. 2. Multiplication of two negative integers. When both integers are negative, then we multiply their values regardless of their signs and assign positive sign to the product. For example, minus 7 into minus 15 equals to 7 into 15 equals to 105. Minus 20 into minus 12 equals to plus 20 into 12 equals to 240. 3. Multiplication of a positive and a negative integer. When both integers are of opposite signs, then we multiply their numerical values regardless of their signs and assign the negative sign to the product. For example, 10 into minus 5 equals to minus, open bracket, 10 into 5, close bracket, equals to minus 50. Minus 16 into 8 equals to minus, open bracket, 16 into 8, close bracket, equals to minus 128. Fill in the blanks and write the name of the property used. Properties of division. 1. Closure property. This property does not exist for the division of integers. If a and b be two integers, then it is not necessary that a divided by b is also an integer. For example, 36 divided by minus 10 equals to minus 3.6. Integer, integer, not an integer. 2. Commutative property. This property does not exist for the division of integers. If a and b be two integers, then a divided by b is not equal to b divided by a. For example, let 12 and minus 3 be two integers. Now, 12 divided by minus 3 is not equal to minus 3 divided by 12, which implies 12 over minus 3 is not equal to minus 3 over 12, which implies minus 4 is not equal to minus 1 over 4. 3. Associative property. This property does not exist for the division of integers. If a, b and c be three integers, then a divided by, open bracket, b divided by c, close bracket, is not equal to, open bracket, a divided by b, close bracket, divided by c. For example, let 20, minus 10 and 2 be three integers. Now, 20 divided by, open curly bracket, minus 10 divided by 2, close curly bracket, is not equal to, open curly bracket, 20 divided by, minus 10, close curly bracket, divided by 2, which implies 20 divided by minus 5 is not equal to minus 2 divided by 2, which implies minus 4 is not equal to minus 1. 4. Property of 1. Any integer divided by 1 gives the same integer as the quotient. If a be an integer, then a divided by 1 equals to a. For example, 19 divided by 1 equals to 19. Minus 37 divided by 1 equals to minus 37. 5. Property of 0. When 0 is divided by a non-zero integer, then quotient is always 0. If a be an integer, then 0 divided by a equals to 0. For example, 0 divided by 28 equals to 0. 0 divided by minus 63 equals to 0.
tick the correct option.
Math lab activity. Objective: to show that integers are commutative under multiplication. That is, a into b equals to b into a through an activity. Material required: a graph paper, sketch pens of different colors, etc. Procedure: let a equal to 4 and b equal to 3. 1. Draw a rectangle of dimensions 4 units into 3 units on a graph paper and color it with red sketch pen. 2. Again draw a rectangle of dimensions 3 units into 4 units on a graph paper and color it with green sketch pen on the other graph paper. Observation: the number of blocks in both rectangles are equal, that is 12. Result: it shows that 4 into 3 equals to 3 into 4, or a into b equals to b into a.